In the first video, we explored the near impact zone, which formed the Himalayan mountains. In the second video, we explored the kinetic rebound strike at the Red Sea, and in the third video, we explored the plasmoid formation spanning the entire continent of Africa. In this video, we are going to go backwards before these near impact events and look at the west coast of North and Central America. The plasmoid form of a galaxy is fairly recognizable. Note, however, that the base structure is oval, with long spiral arms that form a backward S. This is an important feature of plasmoids, and we will look at two in this video. Electricity, in the form of plasma, will create some easily discernible S shapes on the ground. The S formations on the left show that as energy increases, the consolidated S-form shape occurs. The images in the middle represent the forms of plasma based on electric potential that would have been seen coming down from the skies, forming the S shape on the ground. These images were what were cut into the rock and went into our mythology as the Trident of Neptune. Regardless of the shape in the sky, whether a trident or a stickman, or perhaps even both, we can still see the shapes in the ground. Let's zoom into the western United States and focus on the mountain range found in northwestern Oregon, made up of Sacagawea Peak, Red Mountain, and Aneroid Mountain. This area is known as the Wallowa National Forest. We can see here that there is a circular form centering the picture. When we lay over the plasmoid formation once again, we can see that it fits the landscape perfectly described as having been created in an electrical arc event. This, however, was not the main event. This was simply the epicenter of an event much, much larger. First, let's establish another major feature in electrical escalloping and mountain formation. Whenever we describe the events, there are two actions always and ever going on. One is the introduction of plasma or electricity into the Earth's global electric system. As this animation shows, what we think of as a high pressure mass in weather should really be thought of as an intake hose for electricity into the Earth's global electrical circuit. Below then is the electrical current running out in the other direction, out of the Earth's global electric circuit. Remember, energy can be neither created nor destroyed, just transformed. Energy in, energy out. This is a relief map produced by National Geographic. Again, we are focusing on the west coast of North and Central America. We can see a clear oval shape emerge, spanning from Southern California and going clear up to Washington State. To show that this is not a random effect of erosion, I'll place an oval perfectly in the space. Again, these types of formations cannot be created through natural formation of erosion. This, however, does represent the large epicenter. While this positions the smaller epicenter in the northwest quadrant, it is possible that the center was the initial circuit connection and the larger was the second, sort of like a lightning bolt hitting the same place twice. Except this bolt was 1,000 miles across and 350 miles wide and lasted for an untold period. I doubt it was a quick flash of lightning like witnessed today. As we extend the arms out of the plasmoid, we see very clearly that the Gulf of California represents the low pressure arm coming down and escalloping material and throwing it into the atmosphere and out into space. This process continued as the arm swept across what we now call the Pacific Ocean. This process continued as the arms swept across what we now call the Pacific Ocean and cleared away nearly a mile deep everything west of the coast of North and Central America, out for thousands of miles. On the western side of the strike, large amounts of material was attracted back to the Earth and through the electromagnetic processes of static electricity were drawn in to form the massive mountain ranges that run from Alaska down to Central America and the northern coast of South America. To the east, we can see that the arms reach almost perfectly to the other side of the coast. By overlaying the arc of the toroidal field, we can see that the energy pressed into place the Appalachian Mountains as the S-curve increased. To the west, the arms reached the Hawaiian Islands and formed a ridge that runs north to meet the tail of the Aleutian Islands off the coast of Alaska. Please leave me a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.